Hello friends, this is Amit Ranjan and you are watching your favorite channel Java Mitra.
In the previous video of array, I have talked about what is array, how to create array, how to declare array variable, how to create two-dimensional array and access values from the array. And at last I had given a question that is it possible to have an array like this as shown in picture, that the number of rows, that is the first index, is fixed, but the second index had variable length in each row. Like in 0th row I have 3 columns, in 1th row I have 4 columns, and so on. So I did not get any comment on this question, but now I am adding this program to show that yes, it is possible, we can create such an array and we can access data easily from such array. So let us go to see how we can do this. Let us create array of 2 dimensions with first dimension fixed but the second dimension is unknown. So to do this, I will create array with the name of num equal to new int, and then first dimension suppose I set 3 and the second unknown. So in this way, if I will assign all the data in this num array in following manner, we can have different rows with different number of colors. So let us see. Suppose num0 is equal to new int. This type of array creation I have already discussed in the previous video, that we can create an array and same time we can initialize the values. So suppose I initialize it with 3 values. Now num at index 1 is equal to new int with 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 values, and at num2 with a new array of 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this way, I have created a 2-dimensional array in which row 0 holds only 3 columns, row 1 holds 4 columns, however the row at index 2 holds 5 columns. So first of all, we need to know that whether this program will compile or not. Compilation is successful. There's heavy run, so my voice may be some hazy and some extra noise due to rain, so I'm sorry for that. So my compilation is done. It means there is no syntactical error. So let us see, can I display some value from it or not. For this, I print a value at num0 position and 2 at the column index. So 0 and 2 means the value 3. So let us see whether it prints 3 or not. We compile and run the program. So it displays 3. But if we will try to display this array with the help of 2 for loop, I mean a loop inside loop, then how can we achieve to display all the values here? Because we know that the length of outer loop is fixed, so we can say that I is less than 3. But what will happen about the second loop? Now how much I have to write here? So let us think the higher number of columns is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us think I will loop this for less than 5. So will it work? What will happen when I is 0 and j is 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is no value or no index available for 4. So I guess it will say array index out of bounds exception for all those conditions where there is no element, like 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. So let us check what will happen. One tab to display the value with single line with some blank space, and then when inner loop ends, I will print a new line. So let us compile the program. The compilation is successful. There is no compilation error. Compilation is successful. Now let us try to execute this program. So when I is 0, j is 0, it prints 1, this one value. When I is 0 and j is 1, it prints 2. When I is 0 and j is 2, it prints 3. But when I is 0 and j is tree, then there is R-index out of bounds exception with the error index tree. So in such case, when there is unknown number of columns, how can we achieve this iteration? How can we retrieve all the values from the array? So let us say num I dot length. Will it work? Successfully compiled. So let us try to run it. And here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this way, we can assign values to a two-dimensional array with unknown number of columns or unknown number of second index. And in this way, we can display our or we can access our all data. One more way is there to access these things by saying for int I is equal to 0 semicolon I less than 3 semicolon I plus plus, then for each loop. In this way also we can do the same thing. So let us run the program and see that whether we are able to iterate all the values or not. For separation, I am printing some new lines here. Done. So it's quite easy to create an amazing size of array and then display them. Thank you very much.